Oh. How many dots do I put? I'm looking like Casper the Ghost. I don't feel like doing this no more. Ow!
I got Corona. Said she don't got him and shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick and she staying Fashion Nova.
Hey guys, it's Naya back with another fire video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Naya. You should subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? How y'all been? It's really been a couple months since I've recorded. I know y'all don't care, but you know, school was just stressful and I just had to take a break and focus on school. But school is over, summer break, so I'm gonna definitely be posting more, staying consistent, all of that. As you can tell, I got my braces off. A lot has happened in a couple months. If you can hear background noise, that's my AC. Like I said, it's mad hot outside, it's summer, and I'm not gonna sit here and burn to death because I'm recording. As you can see, I'm looking like this because I'm doing my makeup today for the first time. I've only worn makeup once in my life. That was done by professionals. So I figured, why not do it myself and why not record it? Because every time I record something for the first time, I end up failing. Hopefully I don't fail this time. I'm really praying. So I got everything from Ulta Beauty. I didn't watch videos on how to do makeup. I watch TikToks. I don't know if that counts, but like YouTube videos, they just be too long and I don't feel like watching them. So honestly, we're gonna play all this by ear. Now there's some stuff I already know how to do, some stuff. The only thing I know how to do is eyebrows and concealer. I'm thinking if I should start off with my eyebrows first or do primer. Think I'm gonna do my eyebrows first and then prime.
What is that?
No. We're gonna prime first. We're gonna prime. By the way, I don't know if you could tell by the lighting in the room, it's very late at night. It's like 11, 12. So my face is moisturized from the day. So we have this e.l.f. hydrating primer. It says applied clear skin, use a small amount and blend evenly over the face. So I use about this much. Is that okay? Oh, okay. Oh. And what does the primer do again? I'm asking y'all like y'all know. So the primer is supposed to like create a barrier between, I don't know, your face and the makeup or something. I don't know how to describe it. Like it feels like oil, but like it don't look like oil. All right, step 1 complete. Yo, I hate it, yo. So we have primed our face. Do I see a difference? I mean, I feel a difference. My face feels very smooth. This is the base we're working with, no makeup. Y'all said I look cute with no makeup? Y'all didn't say that, okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because when I'm on camera, I mess up. And I already have a video on that, which I'm gonna link in the cards. I'm gonna be back when I finish. All right, so I finished my eyebrows. Listen, it is what it is at this point. I'm mad tired if y'all can't tell already. So the next thing we're gonna do is apply foundation. So at first I got the wrong foundation. I got this foundation, but it really didn't match. I'm not even gonna show y'all how it didn't match, but I got this new foundation. I got this from Sephora, but everything else is from Ulta Beauty. So I don't know if I should apply foundation with this brush or with a beauty blender. And I did wet it first, so it is damp. Listen, if you do makeup, don't come for me. We're gonna go through this together. Why are the directions not even in English though? Oh, it is clinically proven to reduce signs of stress and fatigue. We need that. Okay, and this is medium buildable coverage. So I'm just gonna use this brush. This brush came in a pack. I got this 6-piece brush collection and it has 6 different brushes, all for different things, and I'm gonna try to use all of them. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face like that. I hope this really matches though, for real, because the other one did not match me. But how many dots do I put? Let's see how this works. Wait, I think I need more foundation. Listen, we're just gonna like dot it like this. Oh my goodness. Wait, is this the right color? It looked like the right color. It matches my neck. Oh my god, what is going on? Was I supposed to do my eyebrows like after this step or what? Let me know if I'm like ever using the wrong brush. Was I not supposed to use this brush? Was I supposed to use like a beauty blender? Like, let me know and I'll definitely fix it next time I do it, because I definitely want to learn how to do my own makeup for real. Is this enough foundation? Why do I look like this? Am I supposed to dot it or swipe? I'm just gonna dot and swipe. Getting it all on my nose ring, like foundation done. You can't even tell a difference. Oh wait, blend it on the neck too. I know that part. You can't have your neck out here a different color. You won't look mad dumb. I look like oily. Well, I guess this is gonna be my foundation brush because it's a mess. This is definitely more than enough foundation. I'm not gonna hug nobody too close with this on. It covered up everything. I think this is good. I didn't put too much foundation on. Cool, right? Next thing we're gonna do is apply concealer. This is a concealer I'm using by e.l.f. The brush I'm gonna use for this concealer is, I'm use this and this beauty blender. I kind of know the word concealer already, so let's see. This isn't the same concealer I use for my brows. My brows, I use a darker concealer that matches my skin tone, so I use this concealer. It's a regular concealer that I just picked up out of nowhere. But yeah, this is kind of a lighter concealer, so I know concealer has to be like lighter than your actual skin tone. What I usually do with my concealer is I place it under my eyes, clearly, because you see the bags. I get no sleep. A little goes a long way, so, but since this is makeup, maybe I should put a lot. Put on my pimple, because I'm fake breaking out. Where else do you put concealer at? I have no idea where you put concealer, but let's just blend it. Wait, something ain't right here. It's taking off my makeup. Hold on, I don't think you're supposed to use a wet sponge. We're gonna use a dry sponge, because I don't know, the wet one is not giving. Let's see. Never mind, let's use a wet one. Oh, wait, I'm looking like Casper the Ghost. Wait, what is it giving right now? Maybe you just gotta blend a lot. And I might have put on too much concealer, I'm not gonna lie, because this is not what it's supposed to be giving. I put way too much concealer. Oh my god. OMG. What is this? It always goes good in the beginning and then it just goes downhill. And this is where it's starting to go downhill. I'm just gonna dap my face until it falls off. Am I looking like the beauty gurus yet? Where else are you supposed to put concealer? On my nose? Isn't that contour? Okay, don't look too bad. I'm lying, for real. Like, I literally look the same from when I started. If you're watching this up to this point, where else am I supposed to put concealer? Because I'm very lost. Literally looks like my everyday routine. It don't even look like I have foundation on. I think this concealer is way too light for me, or I should have put a little less. So just to fix that, I'm just go back in with some more foundation. I'm over here looking like Casper. Okay, that's better. No, it's not better, Naya. Now I got mad foundation on my face, probably gonna break out tomorrow. This is why you pay professionals, yo. It is what it is. We're up to bronzer now. I don't really have bronzer specifically, but I guess I have this palette. This is the box it came in. Contour palette. And I'm just gonna use the darkest shade, right? Let me test it first. This is not bronzer. I don't think I have bronzer. So I'm very skeptical on what to do here. Can I use this as bronzer? We're gonna see. Wait, bronzer or contour? It's not the same thing? Oh, nah. Put it here. What am I doing? Okay, let's put it on the sides of our noses. Let's put it up here because I see people do that. Honestly, I'm debating on posting this now. Don't you gotta go like... So now what I figured out from this is I need to get bronzer or contour. I'm just going right below my cheekbones and see what that do. So how do I blend this in now? This is not even dark. Like, this is like some next level color. I'm just gonna use this beauty blender again. Wait, hold on. Does my nose look a little wet or is it just me? Wait a second. If you know how to do makeup, let's work together. This is such a nightmare. I think the only thing I did good was my brows and the foundation, because the rest of this is not giving what it's supposed to give. Let's put some more on my nose then. You gotta go up here too. And then here. Yeah, it's a lot of blending, I must say. This is so annoying. A lot of blending for me to not even be doing it right. I know I'm not doing this right. Oh, I didn't even show you what the palettes look like. So this is the palette, and I used this color, the darkest one here, and hoped it matched. And is it really matching right now? Not necessarily. I have a contour brush right here. Wait, I got this from Five Below, by the way. Let's apply some more now. And then we're supposed to go like this. Wait, this ain't doing what we're supposed to do though. I don't like that. Never mind. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of searched up on Google the steps to do with makeup because I have no idea. Like, I really should have came more prepared. Except the next thing to do is apply blush. So I did buy this blush. It was not expensive. It was just some regular blush I saw. I picked it up because I said I need it. We're gonna use this brush. This is the last fluffy brush I have. Oh, Jesus. I don't think this is the right brush, but I'm gonna smile. And where do I put it? Like here? Let's tap it off a little bit because that was way too much. I don't feel like doing this no more. Can't even see the blush. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use this color for my blush. Oh, okay. I can see that one better. Ooh, wait, that's way too much. I look like a clown. Well, when in doubt, use a blender, right? You see how high my cheekbones are already? So I definitely messed up on the blush. What did I do wrong? Let me know. I want to be done already. Oh man, I was supposed to put on this primer. I don't even know where I applied the blush. I just kind of did my thing here. The next thing we're gonna do is highlighter, and I definitely have highlighter. It's in this palette again. This is the highlighter I'm gonna use. This is the Nudes by Juvia's. I'm gonna use this highlighter. I have a highlighter brush. Oh my god, we're mad hype. So this is a highlighter brush. Got this from Five Below. So I'm just gonna take it like that. Maybe I gotta rub it in there actually. Put a dot on my nose. This is not even like getting on the brush. Oh my god, I can't use this brush, bro. Like, it's not even getting on the brush. Okay, now it's on the brush. We're gonna put a dot on my nose. Oh, I put too much. Oh, I put way too much. This is what happens. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is very much giving. Take some of this off. Like, how about I take some of this off? Okay, that's good. I don't look so shiny. I feel like you're looking right at it though. That's better. We're supposed to put highlighter here, right? My cheekbones? Like that. Oh, it's blinding. I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my god, I know this is all wrong if you do makeup. I'm so sorry in advance. Where else am I supposed to put highlighter? Oh, here. A little bit. That's good. You know where else you're supposed to put highlighter? Y'all think I don't know? I be knowing. Watch this, y'all. Oh yeah, that is mad cute. Y'all can't even see it. Hold on. Look at that. A little bit in the inner eyelids just to give it that pop. Wait, it don't look cute. It don't look like how I thought it would. Okay, that's kind of cute, actually. It's very much giving. Oh, some people put it under the eyebrows, right? Just like right here in my bridge, right? Like that. Ooh. Okay, I think now I'm starting to get a little carried away. Oh yeah, you could definitely see the highlighter in person though. That is so giving right now. It's giving very much. Oh my god, we still have my lashes on, my hair on, y'all. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is apply eyeshadow. That's really what this is for eyeshadow, but I just use it as highlighter just now. So before I apply the eyeshadow, I got this putty eye primer. It's basically how I have face primer. We also have an eye primer. It's eye primer, I guess it's kind of like a putty. Didn't I just say that? Putty. It's called putty eye primer, duh. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush, apply to your eyelids with an eyeshadow brush or fingertips. You can wear it alone for tints of color or just a primer. Wait, let me feel it. Like, what's it feeling like? Ooh, it literally feels like Play-Doh, but not in a bad way. Well, I never put on eyeshadow before, so this is gonna be new. Making sure I got enough on there. I think I put too much. That's why they say you can wear this by itself or you can put the color on top. Of course we're gonna put the color on top. Like, do you know who I am? If you don't know, now you know. And the eyeshadow we're gonna use is, let's see what we want to go with. I'm gonna use this, the brown one. It's just something subtle. I'm acting like I know what I'm talking about. I still don't know what I'm doing. Do I close my eyes? Like, what's it giving? I'm just gonna put it on like this. What is the difference? There's literally no difference. Oh, that's because this is basically my skin tone, duh. Ooh, I don't like that. It very much wasn't giving what I thought it would. Now I really look like Casper the Ghost. How can I fix that? I don't like these colors. I'm gonna go back to this palette and see if I can use one of these colors. It's the same color I use for my contour. I'm gonna use that for my eyelids. Okay, I'm not mad at this. We needed that dark color because this color is way too light for some reason. I was gonna say I was only gonna put it on the inner corners, but it's ending up going all over my eyelids. Can you even tell I did anything? I am making a fool out of myself now. Now I really need to look at YouTube videos. How am I supposed to blend it in? Because this is not blending in much. So I think I'm gonna do powder first and then my liner, my lashes and all of that. Don't mind my hand, it's really a mess right now. But I'm using this Revolution Banana Z powder. It says baking powder, so this is what you bake your face with. How do you bake your face? First of all, how do I get the powder on the brush? I guess I'm just gonna dip it in, like tap it away. Put it under my eyes, of course. This might be way too much powder. We let this sit for like a minute or two. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna do my liner. So what I'm using for my eyeliner is just a regular Sephora liner. And I'm gonna do that off camera because I know it's gonna take me too long on camera and I don't wanna mess up. So I just finished my liner. Next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna do my liner before I do anything with my eyes because I kind of messed up on my liner, but I can't really take it off and just do it again because then, you know, I'm gonna take off my makeup. Now to brush off this powder. So I'm gonna use this powder brush. Am I supposed to dab it in or swipe it? Okay, we're gonna like do both. Swipe and dab. Ow! Oh, tip. To clean up my eyeliner when I mess up, I use a Q-tip and then I use some waterproof makeup and it cleans it right up. I baked, I guess. I don't know. Something is not giving and I don't know what it is. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put on lashes. I'm gonna show you the lashes I'm using though. These are some new lashes I never used before. I just picked this up because, you know, I don't want to use good lashes for the first time of me trying. These are some Ardell lashes. You could literally get this from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna put these on off camera too because I do have a video of how I apply my lashes, so check that out too. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do is my lips. I'm gonna do a lip combo. So what I usually do is I line my lips with eyeliner, and this is in dark brown, and I just go on outline, kind of overline a little bit. Nah, I don't even overline because my lips are kind of like, I don't need to make them bigger. Like that. Can't really see it right now, but once I put on the gloss, you'll see it. Once I do that, I just take any random clear gloss that I have. I'm using this one that you see all the time in the beauty supply store. Oh, I hate gloss sometimes. Why is this coming out like this today? I hate putting on too much gloss. I don't know why so much gloss was coming out. So I'm not gonna end the video with me looking like this. Do I look decent? Or is it just me? Okay, so I feel like I gotta put on some hair because I'm very much giving you Meek Millie's under here. Yeah, I'm gonna go like put on a wig and then come back and show y'all. I came back with a wig. Y'all probably like, girl, we know it's a wig, snatch it off. I just put on a wig just to see how it would look. Hold on. This wig needs to be washed ASAP. I think I fake did my thing. I'm not even gonna lie. What do y'all think? Is it very much giving? We see the highlight. Some things I need to work on would definitely be the concealer. I don't know, maybe the concealer's too light for me. Let me know what y'all think. I'm happy the foundation matched my neck. It doesn't look too bad for my first time, I must say. I think it came out pretty cute. I very much think I did good for my first time. This might be the only time that I did one of these videos where the outcome is actually pretty decent. I definitely want to get better. I definitely want to wear makeup more. Not because I need it, but because I want to. Y'all said I need it. Damn, yo. Alright, y'all. Alright. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you guys are notified the next time I post and you don't miss a video. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm out.